Hey there, what's happening? Look, listen, I know that everybody is different in the world, but some people don't think so. Some people really think that everybody is the same as them. Some people think that everybody supposed to react the same. Everybody don't react the same. And because everybody don't react the same does not mean they cuckoo for cuckoo puffs. You know, cocoa for cuckoo puffs, cuckoo, cuckoo, whatever. But everybody don't react the same. So you can't be surprised when you pushing or picking or whatever you doing to somebody and then turn around and be like, oh my God. You can't do that. Everybody is different. Now, I ain't saying it ain't no cuckoo clocks on this earth, because it is. But some people, you can push them so far and they might look like they're cuckoo, but they're really not. You just push them too far. That's all that is. I'm just saying.